Simpson be surprised by a Jack in the Box? Let's find out. Here's our input. Here's a light detector set to a dark detector. And there's a wire on the top and there's another wire on the bottom. Connect to a power, and then the other wire is connected to a wireless transmitter. I'm going to go to the output. There's a power right here. There's a wireless receiver, and there's a timeout right here, and there's a servo here, and the servo is connected here, and that's with tape, and that won't make it knock over, and Homer Simpson is.